everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am so late today. I was actually cleaning. It's funny, a lot of people have been finding my video about how I use Bath & Body Works body cream to polish my furniture. I'll put the video below. I did one a long time ago. I should do an update on that video. But if you have older scents that you don't use as much, polish your furniture with them. Oh my gosh, I only use the cream. For some reason, the cream is the only product that works really well. I get just a regular washcloth, put a little cream on there, rub it on my furniture, make sure you rub it in really good. I've been doing it for like 15 years. Makes the entire house smell like your favorite Bath & Body Works scent, and your furniture looks amazing. I've been doing, my bedroom set is probably, I don't know, like 20 years old. It's a really nice wood. It's like a sleigh bed set. And the furniture, it looks awesome. I swear it preserves the furniture really well. So that's my Bath & Body Works hack for today for cleaning. But we have some sales today I want to talk about. So we've got the aromatherapy sale for $5.95, which is a decent deal if you need to pick up any of the new aromatherapy products for gifts. We've got the 10 off on candles, which is not as good a deal as we got yesterday for Black Friday. And then we have this in-store only soap sale. Seriously, I am so annoyed that this is an in-store only. I'm actually kicking myself that I did not buy more soap on the on Thursday when we had it at $3.25 before Thanksgiving. I don't know what I was thinking, if we were going to get a better deal or what. It just left my brain. I did buy a few, but I didn't buy as many as I should have bought at $3.25. So if you want to go into the sale today, the soap is going to be $3.25, which is actually a phenomenal deal on the soap. I'm not sure we're going to get another good soap sale like that. And you can stack your coupons, which brings it down to like $2.40, $2.60, depending on what coupon you have. So that's a really good deal. Unfortunately, here in Ohio, our cases are really high. And I'm kind of tempted to like do a couple drive-bys in the mall to see what the parking lot looks like. I feel like it's not too bad if you put your masks on and you basically just run, you get your stuff, and you get out. But I haven't been that brave yet to actually go in. Our county is in purple, which is like terrifying. So I'm just kind of like, I don't know, I'm kind of waiting to see if things die down a little bit. I'm really hoping that I can get in for Body Care Day. That's the one day that I actually would like to go in. Candle Day, I will probably order online, because Candle Day is always like a crazy, crazy mess where like thousands of people are in the store. So I don't know. Candle Day is going to be 3 days this year. I mentioned that yesterday in my video. It looks like Body Care Day is going to be the next weekend. It's going to be a 2-day in-store event. I don't know why they don't run Body Care Day online. I'm like, seriously? I'm hoping they have like a surprise sale for those of us who either can't get into the store or don't have a store that's open around them, because a lot of people, their stores aren't even open. So I don't know. So I wanted to go over the soap sale today, because the soap sale is actually pretty phenomenal. $3.25 in stores. I'm going to go over the holiday collection, and I'm actually wanting to get some more holiday soap. I use the soap a lot, you guys. I mean, I'm always washing my hands constantly all day long. And the Christmas soap is actually pretty much my favorite. So they did just release this Roaring 20s collection. I think I'm going to do a separate video just on this collection because it's so amazing, and go through all the scents. If I would recommend one scent in this collection, it's going to be this Frosted Moscow Mule. I'm really hoping the candle smells just like this. It is a sweet lime, lemon zest, and sugar cane. Oh my goodness, you guys. This one has got the most unique, like, lime sugar scent. I don't think I've smelled anything like this before from Bath & Body Works. It's absolutely amazing. Dazzling Nights is also a really good one. So I'll probably do an entire video just devoted to that collection, because it's absolutely gorgeous. So recommendations, the definitely Frosted Moscow Mule is the #1. We also have the Frosted Fable collection, and it's funny. I always say this looks like a swan. It's a squirrel. We've got the Fresh Sparkling Snow. We've got Frozen Lake. We've got Winterberry Ice. We've got Sweater Weather, Frosted Coconut Snowball is part of that collection, and Winter. The two that I need to get dupes on are definitely this Winterberry Ice. This one is absolutely amazing. It kind of smells like cherry pop. It is the iced cherries, juicy orange, and snowy lime. What is it with me and lime this year? Oh my gosh, this one smells amazing. It does. It smells like cherry pop with like a hint of lime. So if you're going to go for Frosted Fable, this is my #1 recommendation. Or Winter. Winter is amazing this year, and I love the bottle. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at how gorgeous this is. Absolutely gorgeous in the bathroom. So that is that collection. I'm really low on the holiday traditions this year. I've been using these like crazy. Vanilla Bean Noel, which works as a soap. It's a little light in the body care, but it's really good as a soap. Iced cinnamon rolls. I think this one is an online exclusive. It's even more annoying when there's like online exclusives. And is this the one that's the online exclusive? No, but Merry Cherry Cheer and the Cozy Vanilla Cream and Frosted Fable are online. Where are the, this one might be. I gotta look through these. Couple of these are online exclusives though, which is like, what? Ice Cinnamon Rolls is pretty good. I always pick up extras of Twisted Peppermint. Snowy Peach Berry is okay. I definitely need to get a couple more of the Winter Candy Apple this year. I've been using that a lot. That one's so nice, you guys, Winter Candy Apple. Then we have this cool, like, I like these for the kitchen. These are super neat in, like, a kitchen collection. Where are these online? Why can I find... It's so weird. Oh my gosh, you guys. What is up with the candles online, too? It's so weird the way they've, like... They're not sorted. So I like seeing each collection together. These aren't even online anymore, you guys. I don't even see them. That's kind of interesting. Oh, wait. There they are. They only have the crushed candy cane and the sparkling icicles online. Merry Cookies no longer online. This is definitely a good one. But seriously, the way they're sorting the candles is so weird, because then you're not sure, like, if you've got every candle in each collection. I hope they fix that. Fresh Balsam. This is definitely another one that I want to get a couple more of. This one is excellent. And then we do have a couple of just, I don't know. Oh, that's Vanilla Bean Noel in the White Barn. There's another one. Oh, Spiced Clove and Citrus. This one's a nice kitchen candle. A candle. Did I just say candle? I can't believe I did that. This is a nice kitchen soap. I'm not editing that out, you guys. This one is excellent in the kitchen. It's got a really nice orange and clove bite to it. Then we have Coconut Mint Drop. By the way, Coconut Mint Drop is arriving today in the body care. I'm so excited to review that for you guys. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Oh my gosh. It's funny, you know me, and I don't like the raw coconut. That candle yesterday, the white velvet coconut, I was not liking it. I love Coconut Mint Drop. This is one of my favorite scents, so I can't wait to get the body care. I'm excited about that. They do have another line of online exclusives. These are the, I don't know what these are called, but they're kind of like those graphic design ones. They're cute, though. Fresh Strawberry Tart with the mittens. They have a Fresh Mint Apple that says Feliz Navidad. An Arctic Berry, which looks absolutely wonderful. I'm like, I really want to get the Arctic Berry. It is Snow-Kissed Berries, Iced Pomegranate, and Cedarwood. And they've got the Caramel Cinnamon Swirl in this collection. But these are online exclusives. What the what? And then they have got the Opaque collection. I will put a screenshot up. I did order those, you guys, on Thanksgiving for the $3.25. Like I said, I don't know what I was thinking. I just, like... Sometimes your brain just blanks out when you're shopping and you're like, 2 days later, why did I buy that? Then they have a brand new spring collection that just came out. Yeah, strawberry pound cake. You know me and my strawberry pound cake obsession. gosh, this one smells so good. I actually told Bath & Body Works, I'm like, we need a strawberry pound cake bubble bath for spring or next year. We seriously do. That's like my number one request right now is the strawberry pound cake bubble bath for some reason. This comes in vanilla coconut, cucumber melon, fresh cut lilacs. I'm like, whoa, are we doing fresh cut lilacs in winter? Strawberry pound cake, and one I've never heard of called White Waves that is sea spray, white peony, and salted amber. Probably not going to like that one. So lots of soaps available. Last collection I wanted to show you is this kind of graphics collection. This one is, oh gosh, my lights are terrible today. Super cute. Marshmallow Fireside and Toasted Vanilla Chai, which is one of my all-time favorite scents. We also have, oh wait, there's one more collection, you guys. I used them all up too. I am low on soap. I didn't even realize. I'm laughing because I have like 50 soaps in front of me and I'm like, I'm low on soap. Frosted cranberry, toasted vanilla chai is part of this. You know what? This is the same collection, you guys. Tis the season. I need some Tis the Season soap desperately. It has the poinsettias on it, which I love. So I am actually probably going to order some soap on Cyber Monday for 40% off. That's my plan. I don't know if we're going to be able to stack a coupon. I'm kind of waiting. I actually have one 20% off coupon that starts on Monday. So I can't remember. Someone like remind me, because I literally can't remember last year online if we had a coupon code or if we could stack our coupons on Cyber Monday. Now, stacking does not mean you get 60% off. What stacking means is they take 40% off, then they take an additional 20, which isn't as good as 60%, obviously. But it's still a better deal. So I'm hoping I can use my last 20% off coupon on Cyber Monday, and if I can, I'm definitely going to buy some of the soaps that I am missing in my collection. So anyway, let me know if you got into the soap sale today. Let me know how the stores are. I'm curious if it's crowded out there. I don't know. I'm a little hesitant to go in. I got my mom here. She's 76 years old, and I'm like, I don't know. The fear of getting sick is a little bit stronger than the desire to go into the store and buy soap. I'm just buying it online. But I'm more of a germaphobe probably than most people, but still, the cases are kind of high here. So anyway, I will be back later for the Coconut Mint Drop collection. That should be landing on my doorstep within the next like 2 or 3 hours. And I'll probably do a candle review today. I got so many candles to review. We're going into Cyber Monday and we're going into Candle Day. So I got to get my Candle Day list for you guys. So anyway, thank you as always for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.